Hey y'all, it's Blessed Maps here. So today I wanted to come and show you a little quick style that I tried to put together. Just something simple. I guess it's something new for me. I haven't really done this before because I have like a fairly small head, you know. But so I'm kind of scared to do a lot of styles, but I'm getting a little bit more daring. So anyway, I had my cousin come and braid me up. See, she braided me up around the just like from this way to the side a little bit. Not all the way to the middle of my head. Well, not all the way to the other side of my head, but just to the middle. And I 2-strand twist this side and the part in the back. And then I just pushed this up in the back. I slicked it up. So the braids, the 2-strand twist, and I slicked up the back. My goal is to actually wear like a half twist out. So tomorrow probably I'm going to take them apart and see how that turns out. And I'm hoping that it's like a bad style because I'm trying to experiment with my styles. I'm hosting my very first natural meetup here in Warner Robins, Georgia, Middle Georgia, at Olive Garden next Saturday. So I want to experiment with some styles to see what I'm going to rock, you know. I got to be cute, y'all. But anyway, so I use the same products every time I twist my hair because my twist outs, they're just really defined. And so the products that I use, let me show you. I use my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I always use this product. I use it for my twist outs. Sometimes I use it just as a good moisturizer. And I think I deep condition with it once or twice. I do try to fill in with my coconut oil. I have none left. It's like so empty right now. But I'm going to get some more. But this is what I use to fill in the moisture. And then to slick my edges down, I use my Eco Styler gel. And this is what I use to push it up in the back, the part that I didn't have braided. Yeah. So those are the main 3 products that I use. I did wash my hair today with the Moisture Retention, Shea Moisture Retention shampoo. And I used the Deep Treatment Mask as my conditioner. I let it sit in for a little bit. I put Chunky Twist in, and then I rinsed it out with cold water. And so I did this style, and hopefully you'll like the outcome. I will do another video probably tomorrow or the next day showing you all what the outcome looks like. And I will show you the pictures of this in the back. I know I can't really show you now, so stay tuned. All right, ladies. See you later.